If you want to automate volume in FL Studio, here is the best way to do it. Instead of automating the volume fader directly on a track, which locks it in place and prevents manual adjustments later, a better method is to automate the volume from the master track. First, open the mixer and find the track you want to automate. Instead of right-clicking its volume fader, look at the virtual cable connecting it to the master track. Right-click the volume fader on the master track instead and select Create Automation Clip. Now, an automation clip will appear in the playlist, allowing you to control the volume changes over time. The advantage of doing it this way is that you can still adjust the original track's volume manually without the automation resetting it. Once the automation clip is in place, you can shape the volume changes by moving points on the curve. A gradual fade can be created with a smooth slope, or a sharp drop can be done with a steep transition. That is all you need to automate volume in FL Studio while keeping control over your mix.